Leanne Ford is a renowned interior designer and the star of HGTV's Restored by the Fords. Today, she has some tips about how to make your bedroom your own personal sanctuary.
Thank you for having me. The master bedroom needs to be a place where you can escape the day and truly relax. Your bed is the center of your bedroom and the most important part of making your bedroom a sanctuary. Picking the right mattress is the key. Leesa Sleep is my personal favorite. They just launched their latest innovation, the Leesa Legend. Leesa is the first bed-in-a-box company to bring a dual hybrid mattress to market. The dual hybrid offers a unique foam and spring layering system that provides unparalleled support and comfort. Some other easy tips to make your bedroom your personal refuge are: 1. Choose pieces that are carefully crafted and stand the test of time. It's really very clear when time and care has been taken and put into products, and it enhances your home decor and it enhances, honestly, your overall living experience. And 2, keep it simple. Over-designing or adding too many pieces will create chaos in the space. 3, good lighting. It can change everything. Add dimmers to all of your lights. In the morning it's bright, in the night it's moody and cozy. The Legend is on sale now. Every purchase of the Leesa Legend through the end of 2019 will kick off a mattress donation to child or family in need. You can find all of that information at leesa.com.
This interview involves commercial content. The products and services featured appear as paid advertising.